This amazing chili recipe is from Feasting at Home. We use this Gardein variety plant-based ground beef that we sauteed with the onions, celery, and carrots. As that's cooking, cut up a couple of red bell peppers, zucchini, 6 cloves of garlic, and dice a sweet potato. Add all the veggies together in the pan and mix together and cook until tender. Meanwhile, combine the spices in a skillet, including chili powder, cumin, coriander, chipotle powder, dried oregano, a little salt, cinnamon, and smoked paprika. Add the toasted spices to the chili, plus 28 ounces of diced tomatoes and 3 cans of mixed beans. Cook through for another few minutes and serve with cilantro and avocado. So delicious.